Hey guys, we are back at it. This is part dos numero 2 of removing your door lock actuator. I hope you all liked the first video. Again, I'm getting used to this, so hang tight, hang in there with me. I really appreciate you guys doing that. So moving along, we've got the door panel off. We've tested for power at the plug, so we know we're getting power here at the lock and the unlock. And now we're going to punch out the rivet and drill it out as well. I did go ahead and punch out the rivet itself, just so again we can move along. So get yourself a nice little punch, or you probably might have a punch set. Doesn't have to be too big. The idea is just to punch out the center piece there, because what we're going to do is we're going to use a drill and drill that out, and that's going to get the rest of the rivet out and release the old door lock actuator. Okay, so again, just pop that there, give it a couple of bangs. Be very careful. Obviously, you know, you want to not scratch your car up or anything like that, so just pop that out there, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to drill out that rivet. So you will get to see that here. Let me just pop this on here real quickly. Okay, get some power. Awesome. So just a standard drill. You want to get a medium-sized drill bit. Let me give you the exact measurement that I have. Let's see here. We are working with a 7/32 drill bit here, so make sure that's tight in there. Then we're going to drill that drill bit right out, so hang tight. Okay, looks like we're just about there, almost. Okay, reverse. Tricky little bugger. All right, let's drill down here. Hopefully I don't knock over the camera. And just be very careful what you're doing. Sometimes the rivets are a little bit older, so they're a little trickier to get out. There you have it. That's the rivet. And you can kind of hear, or may have heard, the actuator drop inside. So I took the body of the actuator out. So normally it'd be a lot louder sound, but inside my door panel is just going to be the bracket for it. So on your regular actuator, it's going to look just like that. Okay, so that gets your door lock actuator out. So now we can start the reverse process of getting that door actuator into your vehicle, get it plugged in, and move the reverse process. And very quickly too, I'll show you. Picked up this really nice rivet gun. It's nothing fancy, nothing special, at Harbor Freight, so you can pick one up there, and your actuator kit is going to come with the rivet that you're going to need to use. So once you have your actuator aligned properly, you're going to put your rivet into your gun, and again, take your time, and you're going to pop that in there, squeeze it down, and that's going to lock your actuator into place. And then you are almost to the finish line. Alright guys, that is part 2 of it. Again, be very careful when you're working on your vehicle. And any questions, chime in below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe at the bottom. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you later.